been a busy day here in the shop. Got all of this cleared out where toolboxes used to be and shop saw. As you can see, I got my machine arm already there. So the Tormach's going to live right there. There's the tooling cart. I've got all the TTS stuff set up, nice and organized. Then we go lathe, the Path Pilot computer, all that's going to be over there, as you know. There's Miss Kitty. That toolbox is temporarily there. The pallet jack's ready to pick it up and drag all that stuff in here. My chop saw is right there for right now. And I've got a lot of the little stuff assembled over here as I could with what I had. Just waiting for the machine to show up. Anyway, cheers guys. Might need to tighten that up a little more. We'll see. I saved money where I could. I went with the monoprice touchscreen. It was $100 cheaper, roughly. And I repurposed the old Shuttle Pro, the Shuttle Express jog shuttle I had. Anyway, having lots of fun. Hey guys, well I just got done fixing the lube line that was not connected to begin with from Tormach. I'll show you what I got here. This line, I thought I broke. It attaches here and comes through here. See that right there? Comes in here, goes to this. That's the only thing that provides lubrication to all of those ports, all of these ways, gibs, ball screws, all of it. All of it gets lubed from there. This line was not even connected in the ferrule. Matter of fact, this tube, the metal spring guard was too long. I had to cut it down. I could not physically get the tubing out. So it wasn't ever connected in the ferrule to begin with. So had this thing not pulled out, I would have been running my machine with no lube. I called Tormach Monday the 19th of February. After my weekend of getting all this put together and stuff, figuring out what's going on with it, they were very helpful to walk me through the manual and show me the parts that I needed to buy to fix the machine that they sent me that was broke. Brand new machine, spent $12,500 on it by the time it got here. I had to put it together. Okay, you know, I'm saving some money here, right? I'm going with a name brand. It's got a warranty. The warranty is you get to fix it yourself. Oh, and we'll sell you the parts to fix it. So nice of them. And charge you to ship it to you. Man, you know, it is what it is. I know it's a budget machine. It's a hobby grade machine, low end. But dadgum, you sell a machine with a warranty. You send the man the $15 worth of line and ferrules. Yeah, it's ridiculous. There's the old ferrule right there. Like I said, I thought I cut the line. Didn't. It just pulled out whenever I got down it and got the line out of the little spring tubing protector there. You can see where the ferrule just didn't even grip down on the very tip of it. Pulled right out. Anyway, I'm going to put it together and enjoy my machine for a little while. Best of luck to y'all. Let's get this dirty old girl trammed in here. What say you? That'll work. Can't help it. Good song came on. It's little things in life.